This is the gHR200 remote by Elan Home Systems. Similar models include the S and nHR200 by Speakercraft and Niles audio. It has a 2.4-inch touchscreen display with two-way feedback. It communicates over Wi-Fi versus traditional RF-based systems. The actual operation of the remote control depends on its programming. This remote is configured to automatically default to the family room after having been removed from its charging station. This is the first screen that we see after it's been picked up. From here, we have one-button access to power on the AV equipment. If we select TiVo, the components power on and switch to the correct inputs. We now have full control over the TiVo box. Notice that there is no lag time between button pushes and the actual actions taken by the TiVo box. This TiVo is set up for IP control, which means the commands are sent entirely over the network and never through flashing IR emitters. The result is bulletproof, reliable, and rapid control. After hitting the media button, the remote returns to the selection of devices that could be watched on the TV. If we select Apple, we can expect similar levels of control. This demonstrates the remote's ability to use IR senders as well as IP and RS-232 control. To turn the system off, we push the button at the top of the remote. This remote control can be used in more than one room. By hitting the Rooms button, we can see a list of rooms in which we have control. The gHR200 can also be used to control other home systems. By selecting the home icon, we see a list of available features. We can adjust the current temperature set points, the lights, and even the shades. These remotes require the use of an Elan system controller, Speakercraft multi-room audio controller, or the Niles Audio. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like us on Facebook and visit our website for more information.